What's going on, y'all? Manifest Mitchell here with a video for you today about how I could have made so much money. At the end of last year, the S&P 500 went from nearly 2,800 points down to about 2,350 in a matter of 3 weeks. It was the worst December performance since the Great Depression. Many economists and investors feared this was the next big crash that would take us into a looming recession. This was after a less than optimal October where we had about a negative 10% correction in the market, and a stagnant index followed for about 2 months afterwards. Now, even though these weren't technically crashes, they were more just larger than average corrections in the market, so big that we were looming in bull market territory. A lot of people and big businesses sold off their excess stocks and funds that had lost money that year for the benefits of tax deductions. That being said, it's been about 2 months since the big scare, and if I had invested a big chunk of my savings on Christmas Eve at the bottom of the fall, I would have made a ton of money. I would have gotten a return on investment of about 15% in just under 2 months, which would actually equate to a 90% ROI for the year if I had gotten the same rate of return over the course of the year. You would think that as an active investor, I've got to be kicking myself for not buying. Not really though. The only reason that I'm kicking myself is that you haven't hit the like button and subscribed to my channel yet. Even though January was one of the best Januaries ever, and the first month and 20 days of the year have collectively been quite impressive as well, the market has just barely recovered to its current valuation from about a year ago. Sure, we've seen fantastic growth from the start of this year, but investors have only seen gains in their portfolio if they bought at the bottoms of the market in October and December. Now, I'm mainly talking about the investors with the buy and hold mentality rather than the time the market day trading mentality with single stocks or portfolios focused only on one sector of the market. There's always money to be made in the quick flip or get in, get out fast mentality if you know where the market's going to go. But the truth is, nobody knows what's going to happen in the market. We can speculate, make educated guesses, study short and long-term trends, and claim to be able to predict the future all we want to. But at the end of the day, unpredictable factors like political climate, policy change, new technology, natural disasters, and more will influence markets more than some rich old guy on Wall Street writing a blog on a well-known financial website, telling people it's the right time to buy in order to pump up the valuation of his stock portfolio. Now, I have my own speculations and predictions about what will happen in the coming 6 months, 2 years, 5 years, and beyond, but essentially, your guess is as good as mine. The reason I'm actually not too upset about missing out on a rare expedited growth opportunity is that I'm in it for the long haul. Over the last 7 years as an investor in the market, I've seen spectacular growth in my portfolios. I've never once tried to buy and sell at the right moments, time the market, or pull out of investing altogether because prices have gotten too high. I've made consistent, significant gains over the course of my time in the market. Starting my investment career in one of the best decades of growth ever has certainly helped me as well. The dollar cost averaging approach has worked for nearly a century. Yes, markets will go down, markets will go up. We will enter 18-month-long periods of recession and then see years of exponential growth. But the key is to just keep investing. Buy the shares when they go down in value. You'll get a better deal. Buy the shares when they go up in value. The shares will continue to grow even more and you will make money even when you buy at the top of the market at that time. Or you can take the timing the market approach. Hell, people have made incredible money doing this. With higher risk comes higher reward. But I'd rather do something that has a decades-long track record of building wealth, that takes hardly any time, and has basically zero risk tolerance as long as you choose to hold on to your stocks for the long haul. Thanks again so much for watching, y'all. Let me know if you've made any investments or financial moves in these times of volatility in the market. How has your day trading or buying and holding strategies worked well for you? Thanks again for watching, y'all. I'll catch you on the next video.